Now the first thing you want to do is probably copy the code that we discussed above in this example. So you can just copy and paste. And then you want to replace these numbers with input instructions. So go ahead, give it a try. If you get stuck, just come back to this video. The first part of it would probably be like this. You write mass equal input and something like enter your weight in kilograms for the prompt. And you may want to do the second line on your own. So the second line is similar. You ask the user for their height. Okay. So at this point you may even try it, but you will find if you try it now that will not work. And the reason for that is what we have seen above. So these two variables are actually strings, and Python does not know how to divide a string by another string, and actually doesn't know how to compute the power of a string, which is the first operation that actually gets computed, because the power has precedence over the division. So it gives you an error on that. It tells you, right, so this is a string, the operand on the left, while the operand on the right is an integer, and I don't know how to do that. Well, as we have seen, the solution here is easy, and it is to convert these types explicitly to numbers. I suggest that you look at what we've done just above and you give it a go. You'll probably come up with something like this. And now that should fix it. So we have a fully interactive version.